Hi guys, I am Kimberly Michelle, the Creative Director for JWP Pro, and I am excited to come to you today with a very special introduction to one of our newest products inside of our style line at JWP Pro. It is PrimeShine. PrimeShine is one of our newest innovation. It's a vitamin-rich argan oil that is really known for giving that silkening feel to the hair, moisturization, as well as reparative properties. The key ingredients in this product is going to give you that antioxidant benefit of vitamins A, E, F, as well as omega-3 and 6. The results that you will notice from this product, it's so much of a difference in the brightness of color, especially on color treated hair. It's also adding softness as well as silkening to the hair texture, especially those overstressed ends. But again, it's very lightweight and will not weigh the hair down. This product is also formulated to tame frizz, resist humidity, and again, offer hydration in a very natural feeling to the hair. So how to use this product? You're gonna take 1 to 2 pumps of PrimeShine, add it in your hands, rub your hands together to emulsify the product, and apply from the mid shaft down. So working it in, making sure that you're getting even distribution of that product on the hair. Okay, again, inside of this, we formulated PrimeShine as a hydrating treat when added with your favorite JWP Pro conditioner. So I have had a lot of fun playing with our HydroLock conditioner, which is our number 2 phase of your shampoo process. What we're doing with this product is you're gonna add the desired amount of your HydroLock number 2 conditioner and then take 5 to 6 pumps of PrimeShine and add it to this particular product. At that point, you're gonna emulsify in your hands, making sure that you blend that product together. And then during your conditioning process, you're going to apply this mixture from roots to ends. Allow it to sit on the hair anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And there's no need to shampoo this out. Just completely rinse thoroughly and then go into your styling aspect of the service. So this product has been a lot of fun for us in the hydrating realm and also the finishing realm inside of styling your clients or your own hair. But we also have been playing around with cocktailing this product with one of our matte paste, and that is DefiniClay. So with DefiniClay, which is gonna give you more of hold and support as well as added texture, this product combined and cocktailed with PrimeShine has been a beautiful separating paste that the hair is really in love with. So adding a little bit of DefiniClay, your desired amount based on the texture that you're working on, put it into the palm of your hand. Your body heat starts to kind of warm this product up, and then they're adding 1 or 2 pumps of PrimeShine to DefiniClay. It mixes really, really well when emulsified, and then once you get that nice even consistency of product from the wax or the paste to the shine, then go in and apply it to the hair for added separation and control. And so we are having so much fun with cocktailing PrimeShine, not only in the hydrating, conditioning phase of your shampoo service, but also in the style service. So PrimeShine is one of our newest innovations. It's an exciting product for our line, and we are having an amazing time playing around with this product and getting great end results. Thank you.